What's up, YouTube? Do you want to finally start making money online, but you're kind of lazy about it? If so, stay with me because I got something really special in my review of the lazy affiliate method. Before we get to that, my name is Eric Hammer. I'm known as the man with a hat. That's because I wear a fedora pretty much everywhere that I go. I am actually one of the few people who could pull them off successfully. Well, me and this guy. Now, if you are new to the channel, what I do here is two things. I review software and info products to make money online niche, basically because I want to make sure that you don't end up buying a bunch of crap.
What a load of crappy crap.
Right, boy.
Bart, no, no. This is ridiculous. Stop it already. Stop with the complaints. Go back to The Simpsons. Seriously, he's really annoying and he's getting on my nerves. Anyway, the way things work here is that if I like a product, I'll give a tip of my hat to the product creator. If I don't, well, better luck next time. Now, I also do a lot of videos here involving mindset and entrepreneurship.
Yes, he's an entrepreneur. He's very successful.
Liz Lemon, you are such a breath of fresh air every day. She said the same thing, but she's so sweet about it. Thank you, Liz. Anyway, so if you're new to the channel, go ahead and smash that subscribe button. Hit the bell icon to be notified when I drop new videos, because frankly, subscribe doesn't mean anything here on YouTube anymore. Go ahead and like this video, comment down below, and let's get right into this. Hey, okay, so we are on the sales page for the Lazy Affiliate Method. This is a brand new package by my friend Kevin Fahey. Now, I love Kevin. He's been in the industry a long, long time. He doesn't really believe in doing the income shots and all that kind of stuff. And so instead of doing that, what he did was he got real people. These are not famous marketers who everybody's heard of. These are actual real people who have used his product, who are brand new, and who are making money using his product. Okay, they're actually getting signups, they're getting sales. And the nice thing is that they're able to do this even though they are brand new in the industry. And one of the reasons they're able to do that is because of the fact that Kevin basically is saying to them, okay, I get that you're lazy, and it's not your fault.
So it's not my fault that I'm fat, bald, and lazy?
Well, it might be your fault about being bald and the other stuff, but the lazy thing, well, it is your fault also, but we'll get over it anyway. So, but the bottom line is that what Kevin did here is basically to create a system where everything is pretty much done for you. So all you have to do is kind of plug and play. It's sort of like when you go to the store and you go buy yourself a brand new microwave and you plug it in and you want to make yourself some popcorn, and there's a popcorn button on the thing, and you press popcorn and it beeps, and out pops nothing because you didn't put a popcorn in yet.
Has that ever happened to you?
No, that didn't happen to me, but I'm sure it happened to somebody. Anyway, but seriously, but basically it's kind of like stick the popcorn into the microwave, press the popcorn button, and you're done. That's kind of the way things are with Kevin's new product. Now, of course, I have the most insane package of bonuses available for this product as well. I mean, seriously nutty, insane bonuses available. So first and foremost, I have close to 6,800 Instagram followers right now, right? And I'm going to give you a shout out to all of them as a bonus. This is a $12 product, by the way. You can take a look over here. You can see it says over here the price is going to increase to $27 at midnight Wednesday the 18th. So do get into it before tomorrow. Today's Tuesday 17th. I apologize for not letting you guys know about this sooner. Been a very busy day. Even at $27, by the way, this is an absolute bargain. Seriously, a bargain basement price. It's a really good deal. At $12 is just like, are you crazy not to pick it up? Seriously. But anyhow, so getting an Instagram shout out, which that alone, by the way, if you were to buy an Instagram shout out, you're going to spend like $30, $50, $100 to a similar number of subscribers. So that alone makes this thing a no-brainer. I'm also giving you Shredder Banerjees. ninja blogging course. Now, this course usually costs $97. I'm not kidding. This is what she actually charged for it. I have a license from her to sell it, to give it away to you. So that's ridiculous. I'm using my no-cost buyers list method because one of the things I love about Kevin's course is that it teaches you all kind of ways of getting together a list, but it doesn't necessarily give you a buyer's list. And buyers are really important because you want people who you know actually have a credit card and will open up their wallet and actually buy something from you. Because otherwise, you get a bunch of freebie seekers and you're spending money to pay for it, emailing them. You're not actually doing anything with it. Okay, I'm also going to give you 2 issues of my No Pitch IM newsletter. This thing is really, really cool. It's a newsletter which has like 30 pages of content, actual useful content, ideas, information, all kinds of good stuff. You get 2 issues of it for free. This is something that I usually charge $10 per month for my newsletter. So you're getting 2 issues for free. So that's a $20 value. And then on top of all that, Kevin, I twisted his arm and he gave me 3 more products to give away to you. So first of all, he's got the I Am Newbie, which is Kevin's 0 to 1K in 30 days training. Usually costs $10, you're getting for free. The I Am Affiliate Funnel, which usually costs $27, you're getting it for free. And the I Am Checklist version 4, which actually costs $20, also for free. So it's just like this is the biggest no-brainer I could possibly offer you. Let's go ahead and take a quick look over here at the actual members area. Okay, so you can see over here what's actually included, which is really, really cool. First of all, you got all the step-by-step guides, of course. You know, that's a given. But what I really loved here, besides the fact that you got all this stuff here, you also have access to pretty much everything you're going to need in order to really build your business. He's going to give you access to his own squeeze space. You can actually use that to go ahead and create your own content. Okay, so you go over here, and you got all this material that's included for you. You basically have everything ready to roll. So you're going to be able to get it up super duper fast, start building things out, and start making money right away with this method. So let's go ahead and see if I'm going to give it to match the product creator or not. Am I going to give a tip of my hat to Kevin? Kevin, my friend, yes, you did an amazing job with this thing. I love the lazy affiliate method. It's a great product, really well done, and at $12, it really is a no-brainer, especially with all the bonuses that you're getting from me. So go ahead and grab it. You are going to love it.